This is a tutorial on how to use the messenger system in Infinite Campus. So the first thing you want to have done is logged into Infinite Campus, and you can click on the class that you want to send a message to. So I'll just say 5th hour. Then you'll see in the left-hand column a button called Messenger, and it has 3 categories. The first is Grades Messenger, Missing Assignment Messenger, and Teacher Messenger. The first one is just a blanket email emailing the students their grades, and there are options in that one where you can set it up with just the percent or the grade, the progress, the final, different things like that. The second one is a missing assignment message, and this is sent to only the students who are missing an assignment. So those who are not missing an assignment, those students are skipped. And then there's Teacher Messenger, and this one allows the teacher to create an email that can be sent to both the guardian or parents and or the students. So the first thing you want to be able to do is select who will be receiving the message. So you can either handpick each child, or you can select, if you want the whole class, you can select all, and it will gather all of the emails of the parents or guardians. You can switch to students, and it will show the different students, and if they have an email address, which some students do, then you can also select all, and as you can see over here, it has added all of the students and the guardians' email addresses if they have an email. Now sometimes they don't send in an email, so even though it may say Fatma, there may not be an email address for this person. So you'll see later on when I click on it, it'll allow you to see who will and will not receive an email based on who has given their email address. So then you go on, just like any other email, you put in the title, test, and you type in whatever you want to put in. This is a test email, whether it's a reminder for homework or a test coming up or something of that nature. I'm actually going to remove all, and I'm going to, let's see here, put him in. So now I'm going to test my email. Actually, I can test my email by putting in my message or my email address. It'll automatically be sent to me if I click Send Test, or I can preview. You'll notice that it says recipient count 1, process inbox count 1, because I only had one student selected, and notice as email count it has 0. So that tells me that that student does not have an email address. So even though I set this email together, it actually will not send to anybody. So you have to make sure that those parents do and students do have an email address set up through Infinite Campus. So that is how you create a message in Infinite Campus. If there are any questions, you can feel free to email me at mkarasek@swc833.org.